Alright guys, so when wanting to change color, there's three different ways of getting it to happen. So the first way and the most painful way of doing this is by doing this in line. So not having a separate portion of the code for it, not having a separate file for it, just straight in the code. So we have this test HTML file over here. It has programming basics, and this is a test. So we're going to change the color on both the programming basics in one color, and we're going to have this as a test in a different color. So to get started, we're going to have a little style right here, and then we're going to have a color, and then in here we choose whatever color we want. Let's make it green. All right. And then in here, we'll do a little style clause here, color, and let's go purple. All right. Now if we save this and we rerun this over here, as you can see, it's green and purple. And so that's one way to do it, and that's not the right way to do it. It's just a bad way to do it. It's clunky, you can't change it. If there's more than one paragraph clause, you can't change it all at once. It's just a mess. So let's save this and restart. Okay, now the second way to do it, it's not a terrible way of doing it, it just makes the code longer, that's all. Is putting a separate style clause up here. So we can have style, and we can have h1. So if there's an h1 tag, we can set its color to yellow. And if we have a p tag, we can set its color to aqua. Sure. Now if we save this and we refresh it over on the right side, it comes through again, right? So we have the aqua color here, and we have the yellow color here. It might be hard to see because it's yellow, but it's there. Now, let's try commenting this out for a second here. All right. Now let's save, refresh. Now it's back to regular again, and this is personally my favorite and the best way of doing things is by creating a whole separate style sheet. So as you can see on the left side, we have something called main.css, so that's where all of our styling is going to go. So in here, we can create a h1 tag, and inside the h1 tag, we're going to have a color field, and we are going to choose brown, and then we'll set a paragraph clause here, and we will set this color to pink. Sure. And we will save this. And another thing we need in this is to add this clause inside the head tags, because you need to link the pages or else it has no idea that there's another page that it's trying to reference. So now that we saved both of those, up here you can see there's no white dot, so it means they're both saved. And we'll refresh over here, and this is like a weird brown, but it's a brown. And so that's the brown, and then this is the pink. So that's three examples of how to change the color in an HTML page. And if you guys like the content, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.